Hello my dear people, welcome back. This video is a part of Pandas beginner to master level series. Till now if you haven't watched our previous Pandas videos, please watch those videos, then continue from this video. In this video we are going to learn how to access columns data or how to access any specific row, range of rows, range of columns, range of cells data using different approaches. So before starting the video, what I want to tell you is only a few people of you have subscribed to our channel. Most of you are watching these videos without subscribing to our channel. Please subscribe our channel. As the subscriber count grows, YouTube will suggest our channel to more new audience. Then our channel grows automatically. Then we will be motivated to do more such interesting videos. So please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications. Now let us start the video. On your PC, search for PyCharm. Open PyCharm. If you don't have PyCharm installed on your PC, please watch the video mentioned in the description box. You can download PyCharm and you can practice or you can learn basics about PyCharm. So it is a code I need to explain to you in this video. So input pandas as PD and put a breakpoint at the line number 4 because I want to pause the flow of execution at this point. So here I am creating a data frame using Excel sheet. So the link of the Excel file is mentioned in the description box. You can download that Excel file. You can put the Excel file in the destination project folder, and now on the PyCharm empty screen, right click on it, click on debug. See, execution is paused at this line number 4, I mean at the breakpoint. So df is created. In the threads and variables section, you can find data frame is created. Click on where's data frame. So it is a data frame we have created using Excel file. Now let us see how to access a single column data using pandas. So now we want code fragment or evaluate expression. Right click on the empty space, click on evaluate expression, or click on these three dots, click on evaluate expression, or else you can use a shortcut alt plus F8, then evaluate expression will be opened. Here enter df, click on evaluate, click on where's data frame. So it is an actual data frame, right? Now I want to access only this customer name column. Then after df, enter square brackets, in that mention customer name. Click on evaluate, click on via series. So one column data is written as a series. So these are all the customer names, 200 customer names from the df. We have accessed only one column. For example, if you want to access multiple columns like customer name and product, so clear this, in the square brackets enter a list. In that enter column names. I want customer name and I want product also. I want quantity also, and click on evaluate expression. Click on view as data frame. See, I have accessed only 3 columns which I want. So it is how you need to access number of columns as you desire. So it is about the columns. Then what about the rows? Let us see. Again open evaluate expression. I want to show you one thing, which is open this data frame. Here, do you know what is the index? Yes, index is a numerical range, numerical data type. Index is a number starting from 0 to 199. So there are, based on the index values, there are 2 different approaches to access row values or to access data. So first of all, let us learn about numerical indices, like in this case 0 to 199. Now I want to access only this 0th row data. Then open evaluate expression, enter df.iloc of 0. So iloc of 0 will access the rows based on the numerical indices. iloc of 0, click on evaluate expression, click on view series. See, it is the first row data. For clarity, here click on view data frame. See, it is the actual data frame. Here it is the first row data. See, customer name Brandy Murray, laptop, electronics 3, 1344, net banking, portrait, pending, and 4034. You got it right? Yes, it is the first row data because we have entered 0 in the iloc. Okay, it is about accessing first row using iloc. For example, I want nth row, then enter the n value. I want 8th row, then enter 8 and click on evaluate expression. Okay, so you can view original data frame and you can compare. 8th row, see, Christy Robinson, 8th row, laptop, electronics 1725, credit card. You got it right? So if you want to access nth row, then use df.iloc of n value. For example, if you want to access a range of rows, then you need to enter starting number and ending number using colon. For example, I want from 3rd row to the 5th row, then you need to enter 6 because right side value will be excluded. Okay, click on evaluate expression. See, index value 3, 4, 5. So it is how you need to access range of rows. Okay, it is about accessing the rows, entire row. Now I don't want entire row. I want to access a single cell. For example, 3rd row, I want to access who is the 3rd customer. I mean 3rd customer name, right? So customer name is in the second column, right? So 3rd person name I want. So after 3, enter 2. After 3, enter comma 1 because 1 is the customer name index number. So Sandra King. 3rd row, customer name is Sandra King. See, so customer name is 3 is the row index, 1 is the column index. So it is how you need to access single cell. For example, if you want to access range of rows and range of columns. Then open evaluate expression df.iloc of I want second to fifth row, and in the columns I want customer name and product. So 1, 3. Click on evaluate expression. See, it is how you need to access multiple columns, multiple rows. I mean range of rows and range of columns. See, second to fifth row and first to third columns. I mean third is excluded, right? First and second column. So it is how you need to access indexed based, numerical index based rows and columns. Now I want to change the index. Index is numerical, right? I want to assign customer name as index. You know it, right? How to set the index? df.set index customer name after string in place true. Click on evaluate expression. Close it. Open view data frame. See, customer name is set as index for this data frame. Now let us access data using customer name. I mean labeled index. Then in this case we need to use .loc, not .iloc. I is removed, just loc. df.loc of, if you want to view first row data, then what is the row index? That is brandy, Brandy Murray. So click on evaluate expression. Then you will get all the row data corresponding to Brand Murray. I mean 0th row. I mean first row. So it is how you need to access first row using labeled indices. For example, if you want to access range of rows from Brand Murray to Alecran, then enter colon elect. Then you won't get data related to Alecran. Let us see. Click on evaluate expression. Here you will get data related to Alecran because labeled names, labeled indices, right? It will be included. Right side value will be included. Alecran data is included in the range. So it is about accessing range of rows using labeled indices. If you want to access columns also, then I want Brand Murray only product. See, laptop. Laptop is related to Brand Murray and his product. So I want product to quantity. So see, here we got 3: product, category and quantity. These are related to Brand Murray, who is at the 0th index. So now I want to access range of rows and range of columns from Brand Murray to Alecran. So enter Alecran. Click on evaluate expression. Click on view as data frame. See, from Brand Murray to Alecran, product column to quantity columns. It is how you need to access range of rows and range of columns in a data frame. So these are the two type of approaches using indices, using type of indices like labeled or unlabeled indices. There is another approaches also. Let us go through them. Open evaluate expression. Now I want to access the customer at 0th index. Then we have another approach. Use df.et and list of first value is row value, which must be in a numerical index 0, customer name I want. Click on evaluate expression. See, here we got error because index is labeled string type, so it is functional only for numerical indices. So then we need to reset the index. df.reset index drop true in place true. Click on evaluate expression. Close it. Open df. See, customer name is removed because I forgot to restore it. I have entered drop true, right? Customer name is gone. So index is now in numerical data type. Okay. Now let us access the data using df.et. I want a first row. So enter 0. I want product. Click on evaluate. It is laptop. Let us verify it. See, first row product is laptop. So it is how you need to access. Now I want from product to quantity also. From product to category and quantity. Click on evaluate. So df.et is used for accessing a single value by label, not by index, not by numerical index. It is just by labeled index. So we can use another approach also using df.iet. This df.iet will access a single value using numerical indices just like iloc. Open evaluate expression df.iet of 0, 1. See, it is a laptop. If you remove 1, it will be error because it is used to access only one value. So you need to use df.iet of row number, column number. That's it. So it is how you need to access columns and rows. Now let us go through some typical queries to select the data, to access the data. Now I want to access only products belonging to electronics category. Then we need to use df.loc of, here I need to use df.category because I want category electronics, right, equal to electronics. Here click on evaluate. See, it is a data related to electronics category. If you find category, all will be electronics. Okay, you don't want all columns, then you can use range, right? See, it is how you can access using filters. It is like a filter using loc and iloc. Now another query is get customer name where delivery status is pending and quantity greater than 2. Open df. Open evaluate expression. Now what we want? df.loc. First of all, in that loc, we want to find customer name, right? Then comma, enter customer name. It is like projection in MongoDB. I want only customer name column. So for the rows, I need to filter. Delivery status must be pending. So df of delivery status must be pending, right? W equal to pending. It is caps. So click on evaluate. Sorry, customer name column is dropped, right? So let us find price, quantity. This I just want to show you how to access data. That's it. See, these are all the quantity which belongs to delivery status pending. See, we remove this. Just only find this. See, these are all the products data related to delivery status pending. So it is how you need to filter the data using iloc and loc. So I think this video is more informative. I hope you have learned something new in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and till now if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and enable the bell notifications. If you want to become a Munchstack developer, please learn MongoDB course which is mentioned in our channel. So thank you for watching.